This is going to be a real quick video teaching you how to sign up and create an account on Coinbase. If you're watching this video, that means that you're now part of the DIY investing team and you're now opening your Getting Started Quick resources. Now, this is a really simple process. Basically what you're going to do is go to coinbase.com, and then once you're here, you're going to go to create an account. Now, once you're at the create an account page, it's going to give you this really simple page, and all you have to do is go through and type in your personal information. So I'm going to go through and do this. Once you're done, you're going to go down here and verify that you're 18 years old and then create an account. Once you create your account, it's going to ask to verify your email address. All you really need to do is go log into your email address and then click the email that they sent you, which will automatically direct you back to Coinbase. Once on your email, you're going to come down here and click verify email address. Now once you click it, it should automatically redirect you back over to Coinbase. And then from here, you're going to go through and type in some more of your personal information. Next, it's going to ask you to verify your identity. So all you have to do is go down through here and fill out all of the asked boxes, and then that will help you to verify your account. Once all of your personal information has been filled out, you're going to click submit, and then it should take you straight to the Coinbase dashboard. Here you're going to have all of the tools necessary to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrency. To complete the rest of your account, all you have to do is confirm your email address. You can add your phone number if you would like to, and connect your bank account to your Coinbase. Once your bank account has been connected, you can then go ahead and start purchasing cryptocurrency. Keep in mind that not all banks allow crypto transactions, so you're going to have to check in and make sure that your bank is compatible. Thank you so much for watching this video.